Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be quickly producing some anhydrous copper 2 sulfate, which will hopefully be used in a future project to produce sulfur trioxide. Copper sulfate can be found as stump remover or as something to prevent moss growth. My copper sulfate is not from a store, but any copper 2 sulfate source will work. Copper 2 sulfate is usually present in the blue pentahydrate, however it also exists as a white anhydrous powder. To begin, we will weigh out 500 grams of copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate into a steel dish dedicated to chemistry. Above 200 degrees Celsius, the copper sulfate will dehydrate, so the pan was placed in a toaster oven dedicated to chemistry and heated over 200 degrees Celsius. This was left for several hours to ensure complete decomposition. After full decomposition, the compound is quite hygroscopic and will reabsorb water from the air. Thus, it is important to transfer it into an airtight storage container while the copper sulfate is still hot. After transferring everything, 320 grams of anhydrous copper sulfate was obtained, corresponding to a near 100% yield as expected. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.